Hello guys, welcome to the Working Hub Graduates. In today's video I'll be talking about how to trade EURUSD as a professional. Okay, so you can be able to eat on this and be able to make huge amounts of money. Okay, as always, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy the video that I always give you, and so that I know that you enjoy it. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. So as I promised the last time that I'll be giving you EURUSD strategy, so today I'll be showing exactly how to do it, how to master it, and hopefully you can be able to make good chunk of money. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, do leave them on the section below. I'll be able to assist you, anything you want me to help you with. Okay, so after the intro, I'll show you everything. Let's go. Okay, so guys, excuse me with my background. It's always changing because I'm traveling different places around the world, and as you guys, if you know me on a personal level, I'm always traveling. So that's just, I want to clear that out so there will be some background changes as we go along, as you have seen on all my videos. Okay, so let's get it started with the EURUSD. Okay, so here's my EURUSD chart. So I just opened it up. Okay, so what do you essentially want to do? You can literally just open your chart on any part. So I'm choosing lower time frames. It's better to use lower time frames like H1 or H15 or H30. I mean M30. Okay, so because we're capitalizing on these quick moves. Okay. So the strategy we're going to use here is going to be the Fibonacci. We're going to use Fibonacci. So if you don't know it, I'll just explain it a bit. Okay, so essentially Fibonacci is, for example, if you're taking, it just checks how the market retraced basically. Okay, so for here, the Fibonacci, it went up to 23.6. So it just checks where it goes up before it goes down. That's essentially what Fibonacci does. Okay, so you're going to be using Fibonacci for this. So in essence, guys, you're just going to be needing the Fibonacci tool, which you're going to find there. Okay, it's written F, and then there's like some horizontal lines, and then your MA tool or something similar. So essentially the Fib is going to check you, it's going to basically show you where we are going, okay, where the market is going, or let me say likely going, because remember we're dealing with probabilities, nothing is always 100% certain. Okay, so an approximation, a probability. Okay, and then the second one is your MA tool. Okay, MA is basically for example, if you're a beginner, just to show you where the trend is going. You may not need it. It depends if you can see where the trend is going or not. Okay, but I'm just making it simpler for beginners. Okay, so a Fib tool and a MA. So you'd also want to check my other video of support and resistance, which will show you if you want to check if something is going up or down. So essentially we're gonna look at where it's going. Okay, so we can see that now it's been going down. Okay, and you can see lower. If you can see, I'll just do it quickly. Higher lows. Okay, lower lows. Higher highs. Sorry, higher low. Lower low. Okay, and so forth. But you can see it's essentially going down. Okay, for here. And then, so when we put our horizontal lines here, we can see so if we put our horizontal lines here, we can see here it's there. So it's like bearish, meaning it's going down. Okay, for here. Okay, going down, you can see it went right down to there. Okay, now it's creating lower highs and higher highs. So as you can see, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, higher highs. Okay, so it's still in a depth of creating high high and high low. So you can see here, essentially we're looking at an uptrend. Okay, if you can't see it again, guys, you can use your MA. Okay, so you can, as you can see, it hits our supports here. This was a support. This was a support. It broke support. It went to. Now this is support. This is resistance. So it should have gone down, but it's not. So now it's going higher high. So now there's a resistance, support, resistance, support. So we know it's pushing up. Okay, but now the question is, to where is it going? Okay, this is where most people get it hard. Okay, so we're just going to look at that. That's where the Fibonacci will help you with. Okay, so I just want to show you, if you don't know the trend again, you can just go to MA. Okay, you can use MA 100. Okay, so as you can see, it was going down. You can use 200, MA 200 or 100 is okay, whichever you can see, where you can see the market, where is it above or below. So as you can see, it was up here, here it was below, it was going down, so now it's going up. Okay, but now to where? Because it could turn here, or it could turn, we don't know. Okay, this is where the Fibonacci will help you with. Okay, so essentially now we know it's going up. What you do, you take a Fibonacci there. It's simple, from where the market started. Okay, all right, so you're going to check from where the market initially began the downtrend, essentially. Okay, this, guys, doesn't have to be too accurate, as long as you can see where it could be here, if you see it started here, or it could be there. Okay, it doesn't make too much of a difference. So you just put your fib, you take your fib from the top right to the bottom where you think it is. Okay, so since you already know that it's likely to be going up. Okay, so your fib, make sure your fib obviously will have all these levels: 23.6, 38.2, 50.0, 61.8, 72.3. Okay, so it should have that. So what you're looking for, the fib, our market should go to about 50, 50 and 60. So if you highlight somewhere here, you know your market is likely to come here. Okay, all right, so essentially it can't be up there, it can't be there, but it's just somewhere here. So it's essentially telling you we can stop here. Okay, so as I said here, the fib doesn't, I could have started my fib there. You'll see it doesn't really make a difference. Okay, see, it's still in that area. Okay, 50, 60, around this area. Okay, so I'll just put it here. So okay, so all right, so this is how the EURUSD, it likes to obey the fib. Okay, all right, so you'll see that it'll want to go there, there, and there. It'll want to turn here. Okay, but we don't know, it could turn and go down or carry on, but we know this is to show you where it could likely go. So I would be looking, I would buy until there. Okay, so obviously my TP, if I took here from here, my TP would be there at about 61.8 there. Okay, so I'll put it over somewhere there. Okay, and then obviously my stop loss, I'll put it just below here. Okay, so this is just a simplified version, guys. I'll still do how to trade fib properly. This is just for you to check how to to kill EURUSD quickly. Okay, so even if, because you would have seen it started there and then you can enter. Like I think my other account I entered somewhere here, of which now we on how many? I think we're on 70 or yeah, we were on 70 yesterday. So obviously it was like just playing around this area. So my anticipation that it has to go there. Okay, guys, remember the stop loss is for you to make sure you don't lose a lot, because anyway it could turn and go back. But with EURUSD, it usually follows this direction. Okay, so we'll look at the other places too. Okay, so as you can see, so you can start where it starts. Essentially, I would say where it starts when you start seeing your lower lows and higher lows. So that's why I started here. Some people may want to start there. I understand, it's okay, but I want to be as accurate as I possibly can. So that's why I start at the higher, lower lows and lower highs. So, and then get out here. My TP will be there. Okay, so let's look for another one. Okay, so going back, guys. Okay, so if you can see here, you can see it's already below, so it's going down. Okay, when it went up, okay, even if you entered here, okay, because you see higher highs, higher lows, so higher lows, lower lows, okay, keeps doing that. Okay, even if you entered here, it took you out, it's okay, because now you know here you can enter. Okay, by the time it starts going up, as you can see, it's below, it's above this line. You essentially take your fib from where it started, you bring it right to the place here. Okay, so for example, if you entered here, because now it was doing higher highs, and then this was above, so we have essentially made money going from here to there. We'd have made money, quick money. So essentially we would have just done that. Okay, again guys, if you don't know the highs and support resistance, you can just check my other video. But as you can see, if you're a beginner, as long as this line is above, is below the market, this green line, then it's a buy to up until 61, this level 61 and 50, 61.8 and 50. Okay, so essentially you're going to stop here. So let's, as you can see, how many pips we ate here. 60 pips. Okay, nice scalp or swing, whatever you call it. Okay, let's look at another one. So you can see this is exactly the way to kill EURUSD. Okay, here I would have done the same thing. You can still do if it's going down again. Okay, where did it start? It started from here and then right to when it started. Okay, assume now it's here. Okay, essentially you're gonna see once it's here, you can start entering, and then your TP is there. Simple. Because now it's below this line, so I enter here basically. I enter up until there. Okay, my stop loss is there. Okay, so you made 54 pips. Okay, the essential thing is to make sure you know where your market is. Once you see that it's below, your market is below this line, you know it's an entry for sell. And then you look for this 61.8. Okay, let's look at another one again. Okay, it's essentially how this works. literally. Here you can't, you see it's going, here I can't do anything, guys, because it's like, it's still up, but I mean, it's not showing what it's doing. Okay, it's still an uptrend here. Here it's in between. Here you can see it's a sell. I would have started selling here because it's already, yeah. Okay, so let's see. The market started there from the bottom to there. So you aim for 61. So as I said, I would have entered once I see it goes below. Here you can't really see it in between. Now it's below. So I would have entered here all the way to here. And then you're obviously your TP. So 83 pips, guys, you can scalp this like quickly, okay? This is for you to catch these small moves, okay? That you can scalp, okay? Look at another and a last one. You say, as I said, this is just for scalping, guys. Quick scalping. Okay. So Ezekiel, what's happening here? It's going below. It's still going below. Okay. It looks like it's going up. Okay, but we have to see if it's really going up for everything. Okay, it could just be a retracement. So let's see it's going up. Okay, now it's going on the side. You see it's not really going up. I'd wait for this. Okay, essentially still a downtrend, but going sideways. Okay. Okay, we don't trade sideways for EURUSD for this method. So we wait again until we see where the market is going. Okay. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, now we can see it's going down. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna wait essentially for it to start going up because we know it's going down. Okay, wait for it to start going up. Okay, again, here's our support. Here's support. Okay, so as you can see, the market is like higher, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It went back again, and then it should go down and touch this line again to confirm it's going down. Okay, good. It went. So all we do, we're just gonna wait to see because now we can't really trade it. Okay. Okay, we wait. We wait again. Okay, what is happening now? Okay, if it obviously goes above, okay, it's done our high highs, high lows. Okay, so let's wait and see what it's continuing to do. Okay, now we can see that it's looking to go up. Okay, how do you know? It's already showing us signs of going up there. Okay, so take your fib from where you see it starting and go below. Okay, our TP would be there. Let's see if we would have made money or not. So I'd have entered there, my TP is there. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Would have made money. Okay. So as you can see, guys, it's quite simple. Okay. Very simple. So you can just, here would have, how many pips would have made? I think would have made 168 pips, imagine, just with the small scalping. So you can see how powerful this method is, guys. So make sure you understand it. Essentially what is important, make sure you understand support resistance and also understand if it's below the market. If you don't understand if it's uptrend or downtrend, use your MA 200 or 100. Okay, but if you can understand the support and resistance, then it's going to be easier because you're going to see it's going up like this, and then you're doing higher highs and higher lows. Then you know, okay, it's an uptrend. So I just need to start my fib from the top So when you started to right to the bottom. Okay, I hope you guys were able to benefit from this. This is a simple strategy for USD to scalp it. You can just like scalp it in a few hours, depending on how the market moves. Like literally is how I make money. You can master this, make money literally with the USD. That's why most people like USD, because it moves, okay? So obviously this is my method, but I'm just saying like people love it because it moves. It's unlike other pairs which just stays for a long time. It moves. So you can catch this move, scalp it during the day. If you're not working or whatever you're doing, just scalp this, make money, get out, okay, reusing your fib. Other than that, guys, I hope it was helpful, and I'd love to hear your comments below, and just leave any comments below. I'll be able to help you out. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so you don't miss any of my videos, just like these where I show how to make money online. Alright, so until next time, guys, cheers, let's keep winning.